Hey guys, what's going on? I'm out here today with the Walther PDP F-Series. I got the Hollison 509T titanium with the solar panels on it. It's an enclosed emitter. I've done several videos on this before, so most of you probably already seen it. And I got the True Glow suppressor height sights and a Streamlight TLR7A Flex light on it. I said it's one of my favorite guns. Has a fantastic factory trigger on it. But I got some red field targets that I'm probably gonna do some groups of 5 and probably start at 7 yards and work my way back to 15. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the tripod up from 30 and see if I can knock some steel down. But we'll go ahead and get started. This isn't gonna be a long video. Okay, I'm gonna start out at 7 yards and do groups of 5. I'm gonna start on the target on the right. All right, first shots of the day. These are 2-inch diamonds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not bad. What I might do is I might go ahead and scoot back to like 15 yards. 7 yards, kind of easy, but anyway, I'll do 2 groups. I got 10 more rounds in the magazine, so I'll do, what I'll do is I'll just scoot it on back. So I'll go back to 15 yards right here. That's a little harder. I'm probably gonna go for the one in the middle. And then the one on the top right. Let me put it back in the tripod. Scoot it back a little bit. All right, let's see how I do from 15 yards. One on top right. Yeah, that's a whole lot harder. I know for sure I pulled one way left. Okay. Let me back it up. Ooh. These 4 right here are good. I'm happy with those, but that one, I definitely yanked that one. And then up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about 2 inches from 15 yards. So that'd be 45 feet. That's not too bad. But what I'm gonna do is I have another magazine and I'll probably do these last 2 down here. Yeah, I don't know if any of you guys ever shot that Walther PDP though. Like I said, it has a really nice trigger. Very, very short reset. All right, the bottom 2. All right, here we go. One more in here, I reckon. One more time. Oh, shoot, I had 15 in here. Never mind. I don't want to shoot them all. I had 15 in there. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. And then 3, 4, 5. All right, and I'm gonna probably go over here and see if I can hit some steel. Okay, I got 10 more loaded. I'm just gonna go ahead and shoot them on this target on the left. Alright, what I'm gonna do next is got 6 steel plates. I'm gonna go back to 30 yards and see if I can hit some. Before I do these, I want to show you guys the reset on the trigger. I get it good. Okay, hold on. It is empty. Let me see. Yeah, definitely empty, but right there. I've shot this thing a lot and it keeps loosening up the more you shoot it, but once it resets, man, there is like no mush or anything. All right, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Somebody right behind me. Got these electronic earphones on, man, and they like magnify noise. So when somebody's right behind you on the, let me see if it's zoom in, okay. I'll try to zoom in a little bit more. Put it over here. And sorry, I'm amateur. I got one iPhone. It's an old iPhone. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, I loaded it up with 15, so hopefully I can hit them with 15 rounds. All right, 30 yards. 6 out of 6. All right. All right, 12 out of 12. That's probably the best I've done. I've actually been shooting the a lot of 22. And if anybody doesn't know, 22, there's no recoil. And as far as training, shooting 22 will definitely, you'll get better when you shoot the 9mm. But again, this is probably my favorite gun. If I had to call a certain gun my go-to war, my GTW go to war, sorry, probably be the Walther PDP. But anyway, guys, that's it. Hope y'all have a good day. Later.